Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Milkshake Martian. This is part of the exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped-up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this one, or many others that are available to them, or learning more about the Patreon membership program and all of its fabulous benefits that it has to offer, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself an adorable little Martian. I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.